Hello everyone, this is Ryan, Tiffany's husband again, and I'm here to tell you about the second day of the 12 Days of Christmas collab. And that would be mantles and garland. Yee.
Alright guys, so 12 Days of Christmas and Day 2, Garland and Mantle, hosted by Rustic and Lace DIYs and Krista's Crafty Life. This is going to be a very short video, guys. I only have one DIY for you. DIY one and only. So I accidentally cut out this. I deleted the footage, but silver. This one's silver, but I actually used the gold ones. But the garland there that I used from Dollar Tree, I don't know if they sell it anymore. I had it in my stash, but I just unraveled the stuff there, and then I used the ribbon. I cut it in strips, and then I pulled out the wiring. That's all. I'm just basically showing you what I did, because like I said, I deleted the footage accidentally. So we're just gonna get onto it. So then after all of that, I'm just gonna tie my strips of my cut ribbon onto my garland that I unraveled here. I just thought the pine cones were really cool. It's very rustic, very neutral. It can be for, Christmas and throughout the whole season, so that's kind of why I like it. It's very, very rustic. I like the whole idea of the farmhouse Christmas. That's kind of my jam. I did grab the Christmas trees ornaments that you can get from Dollar Tree, and I stained all of these in the gel stain that you saw me show you. It's from Americna. And then I just grabbed the jute twine that actually originally come with the packages of the trees, and I am just tying these on to my garland. You can add more ribbon to this if you prefer. I did kind of keep this very, like I said, very plain, very neutral. I did think about adding like the black and white and everything, but I didn't really want to go that direction with it. I just kept it with the kind of the maroon and the cream with this one, but I just kind of spaced them apart and kind of went with that. So yeah. And then oh, I did forget to paint one of them. I didn't realize it until I hung it up there, but the final reveal, guys. And I don't really have a mantle. I do have my entertainment center here. It's kind of a mantle. This is kind of what I use for my mantle. So I do have my garland already up here, my other garland. But I just kind of draped it along with my other garland here, and I actually kind of like how it turned out. So I do end up turning my that flocked garland on. It does light up, and yeah, I think it turns out really cute. It kind of goes along, like I said, with the whole rustic and just kind of whimsical look. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, this is going to be a 12-day thing, guys, so it's going to be an everyday thing, so it's going to be very short. Some are going to be shorter than others, so I hope you enjoy this, but it is a playlist, so definitely check out everybody is in the playlist. So I'll see you tomorrow. God bless. Bye.